Hi, my name is Mike Wallach. I work with children. I work with children mainly with autism. And I've always had a desire to get the information out there that is applicable not only to children with autism, but for all children. I wanted to get this information out to a wide range of audience. People from all over the world who I think can benefit from these simple and practical strategies of working with children. I stumbled upon Thrive Courses Studio, which was exactly what I was looking for, where I could be the content expert, do what I do, and have someone else, a team, see my vision and make it come to life. I would never be at this point where I am without Thrive, because I feel like a year from now, 2 years from now, I would still be tinkering and still be going over these ideas in my head. So Thrive Course Studio has given me the framework and the determination to get from point A to point B, and they've given me they've seen my vision, and they're helping me make it come to life.